Before we can begin learning how to use AutoCAD LT, we need to install the software if you haven't done so already. If you have, then you can probably move along to the next chapter without any issues. It's okay. If you haven't, you want to make sure you did it correctly, or you want some help setting it up, then this is the right section for you. Before you install the program though, take a moment to make sure your hardware is strong enough to manage AutoCAD LT. I'm sure it is, but we'll get to a point too where you can check that out. If your hardware isn't ideal or if it barely satisfies the minimal requirements, don't worry. The minimal requirements are enough to get you through these training videos. That's okay. The more advanced and complicated your drawings become, the more speed and the more memory you're going to need. These two sections here on your install screen are for creating deployments and special CAD Manager type tools. I'm working on the assumption in this video series that that's not you, that you're an individual person and you're installing this on your own machine. So before we install it, we're going to look at the system requirements. This will open up a web page on your browser. It will take you to Autodesk's website where it tells you what the system requirements for AutoCAD LT are. So here are the systems requirements for AutoCAD LT 2013 for a 32-bit workstation. They're right here. If this is your hardware or you have something better than this, then you'll be fine. Click over here. This is for the 64-bit. It's pretty much the same thing. So if you have what they have here or better, then you'll be perfectly fine. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, click on the Install button. Select the country you're in. I'm in the United States. Read through the license and agreements. Click Accept and then Next. If you've purchased AutoCAD LT and you have your serial number and product key, enter them in here. If you're just using the 30-day trial period, you can click here. You can always purchase AutoCAD LT later on and re-enter your serial number and product keys here. Click Next. Go through some of your requirement settings. I suggest you load Design Review on your machine. I already have it installed on here, so it's not going to do that. Click on the arrow here to look for any customized settings you might want to apply. You can select here and see, make sure you get all the sample files that come with AutoCAD LT. Everything should be okay. Make sure you have enough disk space. This is what's required for this installation. I need 694 megabytes. I have 475 gigabytes available, so I have plenty of room. Then click Install. Now this is going to take a while, so just sit back, relax, take a little break, and maybe have some lunch, and then we'll be right back. We're almost finished with the install. We're down to 0 of 4 items remaining, and this last one is kind of like watching paint dry, so I want to pause again and we'll get back to you. And congratulations, you have successfully installed AutoCAD LT 2013. When finished, just click on the Finish button.